We assume we tried that business. We spoke on this on a previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, please go to my channel and watch it. When you don't know which business to do, the new excited beginners studies what's trending in market or plans to start something just because it's running well in market and friends and others are earning good money. No, when you don't know which business to do, please don't follow trend or friend. At least be aware which business you should not do, even if it's trending currently in a market and you doesn't fit to it. Best way to figure out what you should do is list out your interest. In that filtered list, again filter to which business you can start with almost no investment. In that list, then decide which business will consume very lesser time of yours, so you will get additional time to work on that decided business. So finally your decided business is under your interest with almost no investment and consumes your lesser amount of time. So you can work on that business very peacefully without any fear. This is the way to identify when you don't know which business to do. All the best for your new business. Write in comments which business you are planning to do. We try to decode that business in future videos. Continue to watch next on Loss is not a failure.